today I am trying to accomplish multiple tasks in the garden. And so I am currently washing up some Roma tomatoes for a batch of salsa to freeze dry. This will be like my third batch. I harvested about 25 pounds of Roma tomatoes today. And so that's what. Okay, well, I have quite the process happening right now, and I forgot to video the garlic side of things. So this little contraption here is a necessity. I'm telling you, if you are a gardener or a food freeze dryer, this is a must. It is a Full Star. That's the brand. Got it on Amazon. I'll try to link to that in the description box below. Anyway, I just literally filled this area up with garlic, ran it through. Can you see the sizes? It's like about 1/4 of an inch. Ran it through, dumped them out right here. As you can see, they're all over the place. Put them back through a second time and then a third time. And then here we have them here. So yeah, if I had to guess, there's probably 20 or more garlic minced up in there. So then what I do is I take my washed tomatoes and I slice the top off, and then I just slice them into, I don't know, maybe 1/4 inch pieces. And then I place them. It seems to do better when I don't fill it all the way up. So they'll go through once I put more in there. But I have 25 pounds of tomatoes to do, and I'm not going to force you to watch this whole thing. So I will come back when I'm on the next step. Let me just say I absolutely love my Pioneer Woman knife set. There's garlic underneath there, but you'd never know it. Well, yeah, you would, because there's a couple pieces right there. Yeah. All right, so I am still in the process of chopping up all the tomatoes, but when this all gets cooked up with lots of tomato stuff, I like to go ahead and run other things through it. So that's what I'm gonna do, is run some purple onion. I like purple onion for my salsa. Everybody has their own preference. This is just mine. And so I'll just continue. I currently already have 1 large purple onion in there. As you can see, I've also gone ahead and chopped up some jalapeno, and it's in there, so all of the flavors are beginning to meld together. And what I do with the jalapenos, I will put them through here. Basically, I'll take the top off and obviously wash it first, take the top off, and then I'll cut, I don't know, chunks of it, and then put it through here, and then I'll dump it. I'll take this off and dump the jalapeno back into the top, and I'll run it through a second time, possibly even a third time sometimes. And that's how I do my jalapenos. But I will probably put in more. I only have 2 currently in this batch, so I'm gonna need more. All right, so I got the blade all squared away, and I'm finishing up the onions. All right, so that is 2 red onions in there. And I've just tossed in some freeze-dried cilantro from the garden. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir it up. Again, this is taking a long time, so I'm gonna get most of the stuff in here so that it can start melding the flavors together. And this will go in the refrigerator overnight and get a head start on those flavors. And then I still have to add my lime or lemon juice, which I'm not sure what I have on hand, and then my salt. And, anyway, looking good, isn't it? Alright, I have my big jug of kosher salt, and I'm just gonna pour in some salt, and you have to salt to your liking. And this is just gonna get mixed in here for now until I decide what all I need to add more before I'm done. And I'll do that by taste. Lemon juice is what I have on hand, so in goes the lemon juice. Again, I don't measure, I just eyeball it. And I have a ton more tomatoes to chop. So it is finally done. I let it go its entire extra dry time, which was about 8 hours. So there you have it. That is the salsa. I've already released the valve, drain valve, and I have checked it, and it is all dry and good. And so we will be packaging all of this up in our Mylar bags. So there you have it. Fresh garden salsa. Amazing. Taking it all out, and we are gonna go ahead and hit defrost. Oh, there we go. It's open, continue, and now it will defrost for a couple hours, and we'll get our next batch of salsa in. Here is the freeze-dried salsa. And I will show you the rehydration in a second. I wanted to show you really quick. Look, this is probably the loads that I have that take or that have so much ice. All of my other ones, not so much. But yeah, the salsa definitely fills up pretty good. And you can see it starting to come really close to this side of the insert where the trays go. Same on this side, really close to it. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Whew, look at all that ice. Picked up and showed you guys. And funny enough, I'm just gonna use the water from the fridge. Can you see how quickly? The thing with salsa that I will tell you is it rehydrates really quick, but you want to leave it in the water for a good amount of time so that the flavors will really make, you know, a difference in the water. That you're not just going to be, you know, having watered down salsa. So give it time for the flavors to marry into the water. Obviously with this small of an amount, you're not going to get a whole bunch, but anyway. Okay, well, there you have it. If you are already subscribed, thank you. If you are not, I would really love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so that you can be informed and notified when I upload new videos. For now, have a great day.